Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I did a Bantu knot twist out on blow dried hair. And if you guys haven't seen my video on the Revlon air dryer, you have to watch it. It is amazing. I got amazing results. So I'm going to just use the Texture ID styling cream. I love this product so much. It gives me so much moisture and so much hold. And so I'm just kind of taking like medium sections, and all I did was twist my hair in one direction until it starts to kind of ravel itself around, and then you just kind of wrap it around, and I twist it around my finger, and then basically I can either secure it with a bobby pin or it kind of just secures itself in a way. So it actually is a lot easier than I thought. I haven't done a Bantu knot twist out in so long, but to be honest, like I love the results so much. I'm gonna actually do this hairstyle a lot more often because I love the curl pattern and I love how easy and simple this was. This probably just took me less than 25 minutes, I would say. And the only thing I didn't like about this hairstyle is that I did kind of go out in the rain and the humidity did get to my hair. So it was a little bit more frizzier than I would have liked it to be. But other than that, I still love the results. It was super easy to sleep in as well. And this is what my hair looks like the next day. And I kind of went back and kind of tightened up some of the ones on the bottom because I noticed they were kind of loose at the top. And so taking them down was super easy as well. I did put a little bit of oil in my hand, and all I did was I kind of stretched it down so that it kind of separates on its own, and then I kind of carefully kind of separated it where it naturally kind of parts. And so I could have separated a lot more, but I kind of liked the more chunky curl look. So one thing I noticed as well is that I kind of wish I used more product because I feel like I would have had more hold and more definition and less frizz as well. So next time I'm going to use more product. And I tried to use less product because I didn't want my hair to revert back, but I feel like it wouldn't have reverted if I put more product in. So that's one thing I'm going to also take note of, and to make sure I'm not in the rain, because I did wear my Bantu knot style out all day because it did take about a day and a half to dry. So then I went ahead and I kind of picked up my hair just to get a little bit more volume, but I know throughout the day I was going to get more volume. I didn't want to pick it out too much because I still wanted that curl pattern. And like I said earlier, I could have separated it more for more volume, but I really like the chunky twist out look. And so at first I thought this was a fail, but then I posted it up on my Instagram, and a lot of you guys were saying that you guys actually liked the results and for me to post this video and maybe to kind of share some things that I would do differently next time. And so basically my main two things would be to use more product and to also stay out of the rain and humidity. But so what I did was I'm like, you know what? I'm going to put my hair up in a nice cute style because, to be honest, a lot of the times it looks like we all know how to master a style, but even if you have the technique down packed, you can still end up with results that you don't really like. And so it's not like I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair and do it all over again. And so there's always styles that you can do to kind of make your hair still look really good. And to be honest, like this kind of just looked like maybe third or fourth day hair anyway. So I could have worn it out like that. And throughout the day, I would have had way more volume as well. But I'm like, you know what? Let me just put it up. And so this is like one of my easiest hairstyles. All I do is pin it up with bobby pins on the side and then kind of close it up with the clip at the back. And that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys ever tried this hairstyle before and if you guys have any tips to perfect this hairstyle. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching as usual. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.